when you're in a foreign space, when you're in an unknown space, you're going to be very hostile. You're going to be very nervous and hold back who you truly are. At the end of the day, I'm just a better person overall. I have better habits. I have better discipline. Think about it like this. When you have a job, a regular job, bro, you're gonna get paid every 2 weeks. So why the fuck are we out here wanting to win all the money we can in a day, when in the real world, in other people's reality, you don't get paid till 2 weeks after? You feel me? It's pretty chill, and I haven't been recording all day, so I just wanted to catch up with you guys and start the intro for today's video. It's currently 3 p.m. I mean, it's still early. It's Saturday. There's not that much I got going on. I'm going to cut my hair tonight and my son's hair because tomorrow is my little sister's baby shower and I gotta look good for that. Honestly, this was the outfit I was gonna wear for that, but I was thinking about it. Why the fuck am I going to wear blue? And I don't know, I was like, I shouldn't wear blue. Why? Even though she's having a boy, like, I don't want to be wearing blue because I think I don't fucking know, bro. I don't really like this shirt around my family. I look too formal, but this shit makes me look like a dad, bro, so I don't really want to go dressed like this, you know. But I'm also looking for another shirt. But yeah, I want to look good for tomorrow though. Honestly, this shirt just, I don't know, it makes me look too grown, you know. I just feel weird. But what I really wanted to tell you guys is I appreciate every single one of you guys for following my journey. It's going to be tough, trust me, it is. I'm having a moment with my family right now, and I'm out and about just not thinking about everything that I have to fix, right? But only time will tell, right? It's only a matter of time for things to get better. I know God has something great in store for me. My faith is never going to get weaker. It's only getting stronger by the day. I'm realizing that it was just a moment for me to reflect a lot on where I've came from and to really establish that self-confidence, you know. Don't get me wrong, faith and self-belief was there when I first started, but it just reinforced it, because at the end of the day, we're human. There's going to be doubt. Trust me, I want you guys to see that there's going to be doubt. When I first started this shit, I didn't believe it was. I didn't really think it was going to work. I didn't really believe I could amount to this shit. It's those limiting beliefs that I know most of you guys are clinging on to. That's all you were taught by your parents. Those limiting beliefs do not define you, bro. Trust me, even I felt insecure when I first started doing this shit, bro. I felt insecure all my fucking life, and I got tired of that shit. I'm tired of not believing in myself. I'm tired of just looking at the winning people, you know? I started asking myself, why not me? And when I started asking myself that, I realized you're not putting in the work like those people. You're not really out here sacrificing like those people are. And ever since I started doing what they were doing, things started to change, right? Sacrificing sleep, sacrificing pleasure, sacrificing time with friends and family. It's hard. That's what it requires, bro. If you want to make it in trading or anything in life, you got to sacrifice those distractions. Ever since I started focusing and pretty much having a tunnel vision when it comes to trading, everything has gotten better. And y'all seen my journey, right? I got funded like a week ago. I still can't grasp that reality, bro. I still can't assimilate that I'm a funded trader. When I was uploading yesterday's video, I realized, like, damn, like, it's a 50K Express account, you know? It's surreal, but the bad news and everything going around me didn't let me enjoy that. It really didn't let me enjoy the moment. But even then, now being a funded trader, it doesn't change who I am, because I believe in myself and I knew this was going to happen. That's why there's no extra joy or anything. And I know that's why I had to go through the termination at my job, to really not overexcite myself and hype myself up, you know, because it's nothing different. It's the same thing, bro. Now I just gotta manage to get a payout, which I'm going to do, but nothing changes, bro. At the end of the day, I'm just a better person overall. I have better habits, I have better discipline, and that's pretty much it, bro. But yeah, I'll catch you boys later when I'm at the crib. I might run a live with the team on the Discord, just breaking down my entry models, breaking down the trades of this week. Pretty much a weekly recap. But we have some members that are transitioning from options to futures, so I want to give them a more clear picture because it's their first time. And yeah, that's pretty much it for me right now. I'll catch you guys at the crib. All right, boys, so right now what I'm going to do is currently 6:40 p.m. I am about to go live on the Discord. The topics that I want to go over today are pretty much a weekly recap of the market, the mistakes I made during the week. My mentality was not at an all-time high. My trading psychology was very affected by me losing my job. And pretty much the last topic would be importance of trading psychology, right? It's the first live that I'm going to do as a market recap and pretty much having those topics of discussion. I've been trying to do this for a minute, but I haven't been able to because lack of time and many other variables, but now we are settled in. We're about to run that right now. Man, I had a coffee in the morning, and then I made my coffee right now. I get so dehydrated, bro. Crazy. But yeah, I'm about to hop on the live right now. I'll have clips of everything. Hopefully my MacBook records this because that software should be up and running. After I'm done doing this, I have to hit my workout, my daily mile run. And pretty much after that, edit the content, work on some more content for TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. Some shorts, reels, and all that good stuff. But yeah, after that, I do more of a solo studying session for myself where I just go more into detail with what I need to work on. I don't really like to record that because I like to be locked in on that, you know? But yeah, I'll catch you boys after the live, potentially when I'm out there running or after my workout. But yeah, let's get to it. How my strategy works is I need the sweep of this area up here so we can have a stronger push down. But like I said, it shouldn't matter if I want this to happen because the overall trend, we're already pushing down. Price had already made a decision. If it didn't come up here at that time, I should have been looking for entries in the lower time frame. But I mean, I got lost in my emotions, what I wanted to see, my strategy. And Monday, I think I took a $25 win, but it was just stupid, right? Because I was going against the trend and I was just taking random trades on that day. Think about it like this. When you have a job, a regular job, bro, you're going to get paid every 2 weeks. So why the fuck are we out here wanting to win all the money we can in a day when in the real world, in other people's reality, you don't get paid till 2 weeks after? You feel me? It is a lot of fucking money, bro, but at the same time, it's like, you guys gotta understand that you could easily lose all this shit if you're not patient. Nobody but yourself loses the money. Nobody but yourself wins this money. It all comes down to how you are as a person. If you're true to yourself, to what you say, because we all know this shit, bro. It's simple. It's common sense. But in the heat of the moment, what are we fucking doing? We're waiting for what we want. We're not letting the market do its thing. We're over here praying for our fucking stop not to get hit, for price to go back into our initial entry because we know we were wrong.
What about Thursday? Thursday is when I took a L.
On Thursday, I got you, bro. The L that you took on Thursday, were you trying to go for longs or over trading? What was give me a little bit more of a backstory for that.
It's because I go on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, and I think I was going for long, and then I just...
On the 1 minute? You only looking at the 1 minute, though, or are you looking at everything else, though?
I was focused on the 1 minute. And then once I saw the bigger picture, that's when I was like, damn, now I know why.
Yeah, I mean, pretty self-explanatory, bro, right there. You got to look at the higher time frames. Like the 1 minute and the 5 minute, yes, they're good for finding entries. So pretty much coming into market open right here, we do have this 1 hour. Keep in mind, we're still in that 4 hour gap from pretty much the whole week we've been trying to get out of that gap, right? So on the 1 hour time frame, I would have seen that we have a change in the state of delivery once again, with price opening below these lows, creating lower lows. Now here's where that the lower time frame comes into play, right? We would go to the 15-minute and find an entry model here. What do we have? Yeah, I remember this trade because I took this exact trade to bring myself out of drawdown, right? So we have this 15-minute gap that was pretty much made at market open, signifying the change of state of delivery. Once we have the change pretty much solidified, and we have the whole overall trend. We've been on a bearish trend since Asian session, and we have sell side liquidity down here. We have these untapped lows down here, and we're still in this 4 hour gap, and potential Asian lows down here that price didn't tap into. But like I said, 15-minute, we have this 15-minute gap right here inside of that range of that 1 hour gap. It sounds like a lot, bro, like a lot of gaps and all that shit, but once you're actually looking at it, price is just going from one level to another level, from one level to another level. Like, I guess people just don't want to believe it's that simple, right? But you guys can see here, that 15-minute, we come and retest the change of state and delivery. When price is displacing away rapidly, when we want to leave an area, here we clearly saw that price wants to leave this area, right? We want shorts. So we're going to fill in this inefficiency, and we traded off of it, and that was a great trade. Trade risking 50 points, never come back to my stop, and it was a crazy trade. But yeah, that's how I would have tackled this, and the trade happened after market opened. But like I said, if you're in the 1 minute, you're not going to see that clear, right? You got to be on the higher time frame so you can see how much volume and impact those trades have, and also keep in mind the news.
Areas of supply and demand through the charts. You know, you can be able to find exactly kind of where the market is going to move, or have a good idea of where the market is going to move, if not.
It's the end of my day. I just finished my workout, and what I want to share with you guys is something I've been reflecting a lot during my run and after the live call with the group chat, right? Keep in mind, it's the first time I go live to do a market breakdown, to have a recap of the market. Here you go, baby. I love my son, bro. But it's the first time I do a recap of the market live with the team and have some topics of discussion. When it comes to breaking the barrier of anything, bro, when it comes to the first day of school, it's nerve-wracking to present yourself to a bunch of strangers, right? Keep in mind, these are people who've been in the community for a minute, but I've never properly had a live call with them, right? Like I said, this journey that I'm on, I want to bring you guys along the real deal, bro. Like, I don't want to hide anything from you guys. It's nerve-wracking, bro, but the first time that you do something, it's always a roller coaster of emotions. I was very shaky when I was speaking. People, when they were asking questions, they were very shaky. They didn't have the confidence within themselves to ask the questions, to be themselves, right? But it's normal. It's a normal human reaction. When you're in a foreign space, when you're in an unknown space, you're going to be very hostile. You're going to be very nervous and hold back who you truly are. Even me, I express myself properly when I am doing the videos. I don't hide anything from you guys, but at the same time, like, having a bunch of people, I think it was like max 5 or 6 people, listening to me, and I'm the only one speaking, it's a little bit nerve-wracking, right? But how are you going to get better in this game of life if you don't go through those things? It's just a learning experience for me. I take the good thing out of everything, right? Yes, I was a little bit shaky when it came to me speaking, and I felt like I was speaking too fast, but I mean, I was just breaking the ice, right? It's the first time that I'm doing that, and I'm thankful for every single one of the people who joined the call. Pretty much, it went good. Honestly, I don't have too much to say about that. It was a regular just breakdown of the market, explaining my thought process, and it also made me reflect that I had to adjust to the market conditions and all these good things, right? It was overall better for me when it came to my trading. I got better. I got something good out of that. I helped the members in the community with my explaining, giving them my point of view, my perspective. but it's only the beginning of something great, right? Man, my son is crazy. But pretty much I just want to give them a time period where they can actually think about questions that will benefit them when it comes to trading and that will make them better overall. If it's psychology, if it's questions about navigating the charts, because I had one person in the team just pretty much having a hard time finding an entry, and he was looking at the 1 minute charts without any more context to his trades, right? And just pretty much trying to help people as much as I can. I know I'm still new in this game, but at the same time, I am a funded trader. I've endured so many trials, and I am one step closer to becoming a profitable trader, right? I just want to spread my knowledge, give people the tools that have helped me to become the trader that I am today, share my experience, share my value, and help those around me, right? At the end of the day, I am getting better day in and day out, but I'm also doing it for the people in my community, for the people who support me, and for those around me, right? I just want to help as much people as I can. I'll catch you boys in the next one. I appreciate every single one of you guys.